Kentucky officials use robot deer to catch a man accused of poaching. Poaching, there's rules around hunting, Will. I know you know this. You can't just get out there and start firing it at animals, deer, caribou, and such, turkeys. Yeah, there's rules.
Oh.
Fish and game, man. Get it together, Will.
Yeah.
And so you need a tag, and you have to report. I guess there are some open seasons, but you need to report if you have, because they manage the volume of animals. So if you have deer, for example, the Fish and Game in that region wants to know how many deer you have 1 year to the next to maintain the population, whatever the healthy population happens to be. Well, some people, they don't want to follow the rules. They just want to do it on their own terms, not report it, and also use tactics that are not deemed to be legal tactics. One of those is actually to use artificial light out of your vehicle to stun an animal and make it easier to shoot them, because then again you would that degree of advantage would decrease the population too quickly. So you create these rules like this. Anyway, so this guy had been going around flashing a light on a deer from his vehicle and then boom, firing at that moment, which is illegal. So what the local authorities do in order to catch individuals like this is they employ a robotic deer. So it seems like a real deer, but it's not a real deer.
Is that the guy?
That's the guy right there. Yeah.
Whoa.
And I don't know if the robotic deer has cameras or not, but I guess that the authorities are just ready. If anyone tries to take a shot at it, they're ready to go and to respond. And that's exactly what this guy did. And when the authorities approached him, they also found that I think he had methamphetamine and a bunch of other stuff going on. He was subsequently charged with spotlighting, possession of paraphernalia, possession of a controlled substance, illegal taking or pursuing of deer or wild turkey, hunting or trapping without a license or permit, and littering. Throw the littering one in there. He's just throwing his trash out of the car too. So anyway, he had a lot going on, but it's interesting. I never knew that they employed robotic deer in order to, but how else would you do it?
Yeah.
Because you got to catch the person in the act, and they're not going to take a shot if a deer doesn't look like a deer.
Yeah.
So, wow, robot deers are out there. Be aware if you're not going to follow the guidelines.
I'm guessing it would look like a deer.
I'm guessing a robot deer looks like a deer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing.
You know.